Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the new unit, that is alcohol, phenol and ether. Now we will first take students alcohol and then phenol and then ether. Now what are the alcohol, and generally we take first phenol. What are alcohol and phenol, students? Now these are the students aliphatic and the aromatic hydrocarbons which have got the hydrogen atom replaced by the hydroxy group. Or we can say that these are the hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbon and aromatic hydrocarbon respectively. Right? So what is alcohol? Now alcohol, it is the hydroxy derivative of aliphatic hydrocarbon. And what is phenol? It is the hydroxy derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon. Right? That means where one or more hydrogen atoms are being replaced by the OH group. Okay, so here let's first take an example here of ethanol. Right, we have C2H6. So this is ethane, and here one hydrogen atom is replaced by the OH group. So hydroxy derivative of ethane is ethanol. Similarly, here if we take benzene, its hydroxy derivative, student, is phenol. Right? Okay. So next, students, we will discuss the classification of the alcohol and phenol. Right? Now let's start first with the alcohol part. Now students, the alcohol, that is here, it is aliphatic, we can say alcohol is, we are taking it, aliphatic alcohol, that where we will have the alkyl groups attached to it, right? So hope so it's covering here. So it is aliphatic aliphatic alcohol where hydroxy group attached to saturated carbon chain. Right? Here students, we will have the first classification. So first is student monohydric alcohol. Now student, what is monohydric alcohol? Where the aliphatic compound, only OH, a single OH group will be replacing its hydrogen atom. For example, if we take CH3OH, it's a monohydric alcohol, or C2H5OH, it's a monohydric alcohol which have got only one OH group attached to it. Right? So we will discuss the phenol classification later. Let's see here first. So this is monohydric alcohol. Students, the monohydric alcohol further classified as first is primary alcohol, right? Now student, what is primary alcohol? So the primary alcohol in this, it is a monohydric alcohol in which the hydroxy group is bonded to the carbon atom, which is either having no alkyl group in its surrounding or have only one alkyl group in its surrounding, right? So if we take the example of methanol, CH3OH, this OH group is attached to the carbon atom, right, which is having no alkyl group in its surrounding. So it is also belong to this category, it's a primary alcohol. Whereas if we just take this example, CH3, CH2, OH, student, here the hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom, which is having a alkyl group in it surrounding. So it is attached to the primary carbon. So it is known as the primary alcohol. Student, second is the secondary alcohol, where the hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom, which will be holding two alkyl group on it. Right? You can see that OH group is attached to the carbon atom, which is having two alkyl group in it. We can take an example here, which is CH3, C, CH3, H, OH. Right? So this is the secondary carbon, right? And hence it is a secondary alcohol. Now, next student, we will discuss the another type of the monohydric alcohol, that is the tertiary alcohol. So third is tertiary alcohol. Here the hydroxy group is bonded to the carbon atom, which is tertiary in nature, that is, it's a tertiary alcohol, 3 degree. Right? Now, this is an example of the tertiary carbon, and it is a tertiary alcohol. Right? So, this is the aliphatic alcohol first type, that is monohydric alcohol, which has been further classified into primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Right? Now the second type of aliphatic alcohol is the dihydric alcohol. Here students, the number of the hydroxy group attached to the aliphatic carbon chain will be 2. Right? This is the example of ethyl glycol, that is CH2OH, and here the hydroxy group which is attached to the carbon chain is how much? It is 2. That's why it is dihydric alcohol. Now similarly student, we will have the trihydric alcohol also, right, where we will have, this is the third type, trihydric alcohol. Here the number of the hydroxy group is going to be how much? 3. CH2OH, CHOH. Students, I am just giving one example of it. Otherwise, if you see an aliphatic compound, if it is having more than one hydroxy group, right, it will come under the polyhydric alcohol, and if it is having 2, so that polyhydric alcohol will be known as the dihydric alcohol, and if it is having 3 hydroxy group, it will be known as the trihydric alcohol. So you can see here that it has got the 3 hydroxy group on it, right? So it is a trihydric alcohol. Now next student, the alcohol classified into aliphatic alcohol, that we have discussed just now, that aliphatic alcohol is then further classified into monohydric dihydric and the trihydric alcohols, and the monohydric alcohols were further classified into primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Right? Now the second type after the aliphatic alcohol is the allylic alcohol. Right? Now the allylic alcohol is the alcohol in which the hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom which is near to the or adjacent to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Now let's see this one. This is CH2 double bond CH CH2 OH. So CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 OH. Now here student, the hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized, which is in surrounding to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So allylic alcohol are the alcohols in which the hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom or sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is adjacent to the sp2 hybridized carbon. Right? Now what is the vinylic alcohol? Here student, the hydroxy group will be attached to the carbon atom which itself is sp2 hybridized. Right? So hydroxy group is attached to the carbon atom which is itself sp2 hybridized. So it will be known as the vinylic alcohol, or we can say it is a vinylic position of the hydroxy group. Now next student is the benzylic alcohol. Now the benzylic alcohol, the hydroxy group is attached to the aromatic ring, not directly but through the side chain. Right? So in benzylic alcohol, the hydroxy group is attached to the aromatic ring in the side chain. Right? And you can see that the carbon holding the hydroxy group is just near to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Right? So student, this is the, we can have other substituents also. We have got CH2. So this H can be replaced, but this comes finally under the category where the hydroxy group is attached to the sp2, attached to the carbon atom which is itself sp3 hybridized, but it is adjacent to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Right? Now this is about the classification of the alcohol, and now we will discuss the classification of phenol. So classification of phenol. Now students, the phenol, here the OH group student is attached to the carbon atom. I think the board is not coming complete. So, okay, now I have again written the topic here, classification of phenol. So phenol student is the, what is phenol? It is the hydroxy derivative of the aromatic hydrocarbon, and it is classified into three types. One is monohydric phenol, where student the phenol is substituted only by the single OH group, only one. So it is phenol here. We can take another example also. This is CH3 and this is OH. So it will be 2-methyl phenol. So since it has got only one hydroxy group, so it is the monohydric phenol. Now second student is the dihydrate phenol, where student we will have two OH group, two hydroxy group. This is there, two hydroxy group students at ortho with respect to each other. It is known as catechol, CATECHOL. Catechol. Right? Now, next is, if the two OH groups are present with respect to one another at the meta position, it is resorcinol, and if the two hydroxy group are present at para with respect to each other, it will be known as the quinol or hydroquinol. Hydroquinol, N-O-N-E, also known as quinol also. Right? So, QUINOL. Now, student, the third classification, it is the trihydric alcohol phenol, where there will be three hydroxy group attached to the aromatic ring. Trihydric phenol, where the phenol has got three OH group attached to it. This is pyrogallon. Right. So students, the phenols, they are being classified into three types depending upon the hydroxy group. They can be monohydric if they have got only one OH group attached to the phenol or the aromatic ring. If they are having two hydroxy group attached to the aromatic ring, it will be known as the dihydric alcohol, and if it has three hydroxy group attached to the aromatic ring, it will be known as the trihydric phenol. Right? So monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol, and the trihydric phenol.